What's good? It's your boy, Dixie. Listen, Subway done came out with 3 new menu items, okay? They're called Sidekicks, okay? I don't really fuck with Subway. But this ain't normal Subway, dog. We got us a churro, we got us a pretzel, and a foot-long cookie.
Huh?
We're gonna start with the churro. That's what it looked like. I mean, it's cool.
Oh, stop it!
Mm-hmm. That's really good. That's good. They ain't give me no sauce for my pretzel. This is just a dry pretzel, dog. Where's the sauce?
He needs some milk.
Oh my God! Help! Help! Help me! Help!
The pretzel's not it. Oh my God. Where's the sauce? Where's the sauce? It ain't no sauce. You can't eat a soft pretzel without sauce. You need cheese or something. I never had anything else but cheese with it, but like, you gotta give me something, bro. Oh. And then we have cookie. Yeah, you should not be able to buy this much cookie for $5. There could be a larger discussion here on being able to buy 12 inches of cookie for $5. I ain't gonna have that discussion with you. I mean, it looked pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's a cookie though. How do you fuck up a cookie?
Fuck yeah, dude. Yeah. Fucking work that shit.
Will I eat this whole thing tonight? Yeah, probably. Yeah. It's a cookie. Maybe throw some raisins in it. I might step it up a little bit. Okay. Churro, 10 out of 10. It's churro. Cookie, I guess it gets like an 8 out of 10. It's just a big ass chocolate chip cookie. That pretzel, whoo, buddy. I would not buy that pretzel for my least loved enemy. Okay? Pretzel gets a 0.1 out of 10. Avoid the pretzel. The churro, the churro and the chocolate chip cookie, fine. Smash it. That's all. I appreciate you. Goodbye.